Analysis of a compound, copper 2 sulfide. My compound. My compound's name is copper 2 sulfide. A common name that is used is covalite, and my compound formula is CuS. Electronegativity difference. Copper has an electronegativity of 1.9. Sulfur has an electronegativity of 2.6. When you subtract 2.6 from 1.9, you get your copper 2 sulfide electronegativity, and that is 0.7. Lewis dot diagram. Because copper 2 sulfide's electronegativity is between 0.4 and 1.8, it is clear that this compound is polar covalent. With this information, we are using the molecular formula and the sharing method. Final bonding structure. The two electrons are shared and transferred to complete the shell. So sulfur takes two of copper's electrons and it completes the shell. Types of bonds in the compound. Copper 2 sulfite is polar covalent, a molecular compound, and it's ionic. Characteristics of the compound. So copper 2 sulfide has a density of 4.6 grams per centimeter squared, or centimeters cubed. It has a melting point of 220 degrees Celsius. The boiling point is unknown, and it is insoluble in water. And at room temperature, it's a solid. Chemical and physical properties. Chemical properties. It's flammable, thermally stable, and very insoluble in water. Some of its physical properties is it is a black powder. It contains lumps and like clumps of substance, and it has a hexagonal crystal shape. Uses for the compound. So copper 2 sulfide has a few different uses. It can be used as a semiconductor in photo-optic applications, the preparation of mixed catalysts, developing aniline black dye for textile printing, and anti-fouling plants. How is the compound made? Copper 2 sulfide is made by melting down sulfur and mixing it together with copper. After this, it is mixed and boiled with sodium hydroxide. It is then mined and extracted for its copper, and it is also a natural compound. So there's the balanced equation. What is the economic significance? Because of copper's extremely useful and stable formation with sulfur, the compound has a really great impact on the economy. The compound is mined for the extraction of copper a lot and is used for a number of things, including electrical wiring, boilers and heat exchangers, domestic plumbing, and more. Copper 2 sulfide is currently being sold for about $10 to $50 US per kilogram. Environmental and social problems and risks and benefits. Due to the fact that copper 2 sulfide is a naturally produced compound, the social and environmental risks and problems are minimal. There's an environmental risk due to the mining and toxicity, and a toxicity risk when digested or come into contact with eyes or skin. Other interesting information. Some other interesting facts about copper 2 sulfide is that it is classified as a gemstone and that it is known for being used in photothermal and solar cell applications. And that's the end.